Okay, so these are rapid fire answers to questions I received today. Can I use a photocopy of my birth certificate to apply for a new passport? You cannot. The same goes for marriage, divorce, deed poll, and you can't send a copy of the passport. If I receive top secret clearance from the US military, am I still a Jamaican? If you did not renounce your citizenship in writing and pay the fee, then you're still a Jamaican. May I use a photograph that I took a year ago? No, your photograph must not be more than 6 months old. Can I go to the pharmacy? You should not. I strongly advise against it. Do I need to go to Jamaica to apply for my passport? No, you do not. We've been here for 7 years and we've been telling you that you don't have to go to Jamaica. No, you do not need to go to Jamaica to renew your passport. Yes, you can get your passport faster in Jamaica if you're able to go. Tickets are very expensive right now, so you don't need to do that. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching. Keep the questions coming.